Windy Answer showed her true colors with a 158-1 effort in her division of the Champlain Stakes. A.M. Cuddy Stables owns the Ron Waples trained and driven filly. John Copas won the accompanying division with Keystone Wallace in 158-3.
Olivia Lomont is 6th, and Mick Henry is 7th. A half and 58-3 into the backstretch as they approach 3/4. Windy Answer by a length. Up the rail, Sal Harbor. Cohen Get 'em driving up on the outside, now in 3rd. On the day is locked in 4th, all included 5th. Moving up 6th, Mick Henry, and Olivia Lomont 7th up the rail. Into the backstretch around the far turn. Windy Answer by a half a length. Cohen Get 'em inching up on the outside, 2nd. Sal Harbor locked in 3rd, all included 4th up the 3/4 and 128-3. On the final turn, Windy Answer opens up to a length now. Up the rail, Sal Harbor. Cohen Get 'em on the outside, 3rd. All included driving up 4th. On the day is racing in 5th. On the extreme outside, McHenry. And Olivia Lomont is 7th. Inside the 16th. Windy Answer opening up to 2 lengths. Here comes Sal Harbor. Cohen Get 'em on the day towards the inside. Windy Answer holding on.